Hey there, this is Jody, the creator of this habit tracker Notion template, and this is just a quick preview of the template and what's inside and what you'll get when you buy it. So this is the home page, and you can see we have checklists for morning, daytime, and nighttime at the top here that you can check off as you go with the progress bar. And also there are quick view buttons at the bottom of each one to just, without having to leave the home page, pull up the page here and all the data, and we'll look at those in more detail in a moment. If you scroll down, we can see all our daily habits right here, and the progress bar, and also it auto updates little messages for you as you make progress. And then on the right of that, there are auto calculations for your overall cumulative total habit progress. So for the first habit, say number one, it's going to calculate your percentage progress for cumulatively for all days that you have been tracking for that habit. And then to the right of that, there are overall day progress. So for each day of the week for your weekly habits, it's going to accumulate and add up all of the days that you've been tracking and see what the percentage progress has been. So it's just a nice perspective on how you are doing with your habits in each day of the week. And then if we scroll down, we've got weekly habits here, and you can choose, how many days a week you want to do each habit. So for habit 4, I want to do that 4 days a week. And again, we've got a progress bar and a little message here. And as you check boxes off, they update and it says, yeah, you did it once you are done. And if you exceeded your goal, it'll say, wow, you exceeded your goal. And then let's take a look at one of the routine pages. So this is the morning routine. The daytime and nighttime are very, very similar. We have a vision board here for each one. There's that checklist from the homepage. Here you can click all done if you like. If everything is completely done, it'll check everything off and you're 100% done. And to clear it for the next day, just click clear list. And then obviously you can check each one off individually. There is room for journaling below that. So we've got little journal pages. You can track how you're feeling and enter your journaling here. And there's also an archive to just hide old dates or dates you don't want to see anymore to keep the view clean. And below that, there are libraries for morning, day, and night. So here in the morning, we have morning workouts and morning meditations. Within the daytime routine, there are desk stretches, I believe, and also playlists. So music to listen to during the workday. And the nighttime routine includes evening workouts and bedtime meditation libraries. And then there's little buttons here to quickly add new links, either web bookmarks or embed them here. And below that, there's morning affirmations for yourself. Within the daytime routine, there are, you can track your wins and accomplishments and keep track of things you're very proud of. And then with the nighttime routine, there is space here to save ideas for how to unwind and relax in the evening. So that's just a quick overview of what's within the habit tracker. Hope you get it soon.